count that paper, baby. That paper, that money.
She take it off soon as the beat drop. Then it's time to go and recap. So we can hustle together, go through the struggle, whatever. It's nothing to get them hundreds together. She take it off soon as the beat drop. Shot. Then it's time to go and recap. Stripping, time to hustle together. It's nothing to get them hundreds together.
Understand this, see? So you can fly with the birds, you can soar with the eagles. It's all legal, which way you wanna go, baby? See them hundreds? Oh, that's a 5, toss that 5 to the side and let it slide. So I've been pimping over here, you understand me?
I like to introduce you to her. Let me introduce you. Swag so disgusting, compare her to the sewer. Yeah. Or manure. Do her a favor. Try and holler with that lame game. What's your name? See you later. What's your name? You got a man? With the quickness. Hey, shout out to that boy Richie Rich. Good. She helped me count them 50s quick on the corner bodega with no 50 cent. Her mom was selling chicken dinners. I had to stick to her cause she was a winner, but I got locked up on the way to the state fair to meet her and get that paper. Count that paper.
Oh, baby, it's exclusive. New shoes, it's exclusive. Oh yeah, it's me. Touch it, but don't bust it. Unless you really try and bust it, but don't touch it. It's pimpin' over here, baby. I ain't mean to lose you, ain't trying to confuse you, understand me? But listen, we got Luciano in the building, baby. You gon' spit that pimpin', that baby oil for you. Excuse me if I stutter, but I'm all about that butter. You dig?
Let me introduce you to her. Swag so disgusting, compare her to the sewer. Manure, catch her playing dice with my money in her pocket. I had to say it twice. Let me introduce you to the blog spot. Oh man, it's so hot. Like when your floor drop from your window shield. Nah, it's revealed. Parkhead.blogspot.com, man.
Yeah, baby. Hey. Oh, it's me. It's me. Yeah. So I'm gonna click on that website, right? Get it right, but keep it tight, hey. Oh, I be pimping over here, baby. You understand me?